Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still very bullish overall on the very high time frames. I still think this is going to stretch out into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe it's going to eventually go up and take out these highs. Maybe it's just another ABC credit. I mean, it makes the most sense when you look at pairs like the euro dollar and the US dollar indexes that this is going to be some sort of an ABC and that it ends up continuing back down afterwards. But for now, I think that it is going to keep on trending up, probably making a nice 5 wave uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I actually think that this is a 1, and I think this is a running flat wave 2. We got a higher high wave B, and we got a higher high wave C compared to the wave A. Definitely fits the characteristics with the 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down to be a running flat wave 2. If that is the case, that means that we are already in this wave 3, and yeah, it may be going down sort of term, but I think overall in the longer time frames, like these weekly, monthly time frames, that it is going to go up. It is going to make a wave 3. Probably eventually make that wave 4 and wave 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, you definitely could say that this has already made 5 waves and that this is more likely now to go down before it goes up, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of 3, which I still think that the dollar is going to go up overall over the next few weeks, probably until January 31st when we have interest rate news. So, I mean, it does seem to me like it make more sense for it to go down. But on the shorter time frames, it definitely looks like we have the end of an ABC correction, so we're going to have to see what ends up happening. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, this is what I mean right here. I mean, you could definitely say that this is 5 waves down, this is 3 waves up, and then this is 5 waves down. It looks like we already have the end of an ABC. And if this continues to make higher lows, and this turns back up, then yeah, it probably is the end of an ABC, and we definitely should continue to look for longs and an uptrend. So until this break structure to the downside, I would still be looking at this move down as possibly another correction and possibly continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame, this is what I mean right here. I mean, we definitely have one up, we have three down, and then we have one up to a Fibonacci level. It looks like the end of an ABC correction for sure, but I think there is a chance that it's not, and that it may end up making a higher low, higher low. So if this turns into an engulfing move to the upside, I would actually get out of any shorts that you may be in and potentially even go long, because back down here could be the end of an ABC correction, and if it is the end of an ABC correction, then this will make higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, and probably eventually go up and take out these highs and just keep on trending up. So definitely make sure you pay attention to your structure as always, because just watching structure alone can tell you a lot about what's going to happen next. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.